Hi guys, welcome back to the Wright's cooking channel. Today we're going to make carrot juice the old-fashioned way.
This is Mr. Wright over here, getting ready to make some good carrot juice in the Ninja.
No, I'm not going to use a Ninja.
Oh, you're not using a Ninja today?
No, I'm going to squeeze it with my hand squeeze, go back to the old time days.
Oh, you going to the old days?
Yeah, when they never used to have Ninjas So I'm just going to grate it and squeeze it and strain it and put some lemon or some lime into it and then put sugar.
What about like the cinnamon and nutmeg and all that stuff? You gonna put that in there?
You don't have to put
You just making plain carrot juice?
Yes, ma'am.
All right. Well, he working on his carrot juice.
It's very easy to grate. See, I'm just using a small grater, and this is what it look like. I'm gonna put some ginger into it as well. I'm gonna grate some ginger and put into it, and then I'm gonna squeeze it, a hand squeeze.
Okay, Mr. Wright starting to work on his carrots, the squeezing process of it. My husband was raised on a farm, and this is how they made their own carrot juice and different juices.
Okay, that's the trash.
This is what he squeezed out of there. This is the juice. And now he's gonna strain the rest of that. This is the rest of it. And he's just gonna...
Okay guys, this is the juice. Okay, that's the juice. Okay guys, now I'm gonna squeeze some lemon in this. Make sure I put the strainer so the seed won't get down in it.
Okay.
Okay guys, now I'm gonna put some sugar into it. You can use granulated sugar, you can use brown sugar, you can use wet sugar. In the olden days, that's what we used to do. We used to use wet sugar.
And you just add the sugar to your liking, how sweet you like it. Now we're using the sweet and low sugar because that's what we prefer.
Now I'm gonna sweeten it, guys.
Now, how many carrots did you use here?
It's like maybe 4 to 5.
Okay, he used between 4 and 5 carrots. He used 2 medium-sized lemons, and he added some sugar.
I'm gonna make it taste it.
That is delicious.
You need more sugar?
It's just right for me.
Okay guys, now you can just get some ice and make a good drink out of it. It's all carrots, it's all vegetable, it's good for you. And carrot is good for your eyesight, it's good for everything. See
All
you
right.
later.
Bye bye. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel.